Take a look at that. That's where I'm going. Might have some more rain. I don't care. So I decided to go with the full wetsuit today. 4 mil, one-piece wetsuit, 5 mil gloves, 5 mil boots, and a bright shirt to brighten up the gloomy day. Somebody just honked the horn. Probably wondering, who's the crazy guy in the line shirt out in the river in the pouring rain in the freezing water? Adventure Chris TV, that's who. All right, guys, welcome back. I'm gonna keep this intro quick. This is Westboro Beach. It was pouring rain, but the water is dead calm. So I'm getting in the water. I'm going for a rainy paddleboard session. I'm gonna cruise up the river. The water is like glass. It's perfect right now. So the usual, got my throw rope. I'm gonna wear the booties. Got some warm water in case I get a chill, end up in the water. I'm going with the thick gloves, another GoPro, a floaty for my other GoPro, the rain hat, and of course cell phone case, waterproof case. And I'm getting suited up and I'm getting in the water. And like I said before, rain or shine, doesn't matter what it is, I'm getting outside. I sleep outside in a tent when it's -20. So you know how it is. I love the outdoors. And let me just get the board off here. I'll show you. It's just this quick. I talked about this one in my paddleboard rack episode. There we go. It's just that quick. So you see how I like having the little shirt underneath? Just makes it a lot easier. Another reason why is because I'm sort of practicing training, but not really training. It's not like it's a race or anything. But I'm practicing for something coming up, an adventure coming up. And there we go. Okay, I'll get finishing suited up here and then I'll take you with me. All right, so I checked the water temperature for the Ottawa River. Right now is 8 degrees Celsius. And it's anticipated that the water will go up to about 10 degrees in the next week to week and a half. The water is like amazingly calm right now. There we go. All right. Well, I'm gonna get cruising. There's not even a ripple. Well, I'm gonna turn this camera on. That's better. All right. So I just wanted to say I hit 100 subscribers this week. So thanks to all of you, my parents, my friends, family, coworkers, people for subscribing and liking my channel and sharing it on Instagram and Facebook and all of that stuff. So it's not a ton, but it's a stepping stone, and you know, it's the first stage. And the cool thing was, the next day I got a message from YouTube saying congratulations on your first 100 subscribers. I thought that was pretty cool. So thanks again for watching my videos. I hope they're entertaining. Hope you're having fun watching them. I appreciate it. I'm just gonna keep doing this because I love it. And so my next goal, 250 subscribers. All right, I'm gonna get cruising along here. Look at that. I don't know if you can't really see maybe from this angle you can't see it. Oh, maybe on this camera you can. There's barely even a ripple. It's awesome. That's funny. I didn't realize the camera was still rolling. I'm gonna have to check the footage out. It was still on the front of the board, so that'll be cool. Well, maybe not. There we go. All right, well, I'm gonna wrap up this episode. There you go, quick little one down to the river.